Okay, before this video starts, I would just like to apologize beforehand for all the moving around a lot and stuff because this footage was taken 2 years ago and I decided to delete it because I didn't feel like it was good enough or something. So I just apologize beforehand for all the moving around a lot during this. But I got the footage back, so enjoy.
'Cause they know that when it goes out, it's a glorious song. It's only time before they show me why no one ever comes back with details from beyond. They know that it's almost, they know that it's almost over. They know that it's almost, they know that it's almost over. They know that it's almost over. They know that it's almost over.
I will stay alive in time.
I will leave the city for now. In time, I will leave the city.
For now,
I will stay alive. In time, I will leave the city. For now, I will stay alive. They know that it's almost, they know that it's almost over. They know that it's almost, they know that it's almost over. They Last year, needed change of pace. Couldn't take the pace of change. Moving hastily. But this year, though I'm far from home,
treasure now.